right, fifth graders, this is actually the third time I've done this, so be careful. Learn from my mistake. You're going to need 3 markers today, markers or crayons or colored pencils. Since I've made 3 mistakes, I would strongly suggest colored pencils. They erase a little bit better. All right, so 3 colors, and you're also going to want some sort of a straight edge. As I'm looking at that, we're going to make a double bar graph today, as you can see from the top. And we've got kindergarten and 5th grade we're going to be comparing. You've got 6 categories of cereal, so every 2 lines we're going to mark. So we're using our black marker to start. And on this one, every 4 I'm going to go straight down because that's going to be my category. So I'll just mark a 2 line here. And then my next time I'm going to go down a little bit further. 4 lines per category. Pause it if I'm going too fast because I don't want you to have the same problems I did, because I can always get an extra copy. Once you're at home, it's a little harder for you to get an extra copy. Although I suppose I could scan it and put it online. If I have a little extra time, I'll try and do that today. All right, and I'm looking up here. I'm just going to go in order. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Our first category is Fruit Loops. Our second category is Cheerios. Our next category is Lucky Charms. Our next category is Captain Crunch. And then we've got Wheaties. And our last one is Corn Flakes. Okay, and now I need to figure out my maximum. My highest number I see on here is 20, and I counted up already, and I have 20 lines exactly. So I'm going to just mark my 0 and every 5, because it's going to take a while to put all the numbers in, and it's really not necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, did I do it wrong already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I counted wrong. 20 is going to be right off of our graph. That's okay. We'll just add a box up there when the time comes. Okay, ready to choose some colors here. First color I'm going to choose, I'll need to put a little key over here. I've got teal, and I'm going to call teal kindergartners. Alright, and I'm using 2 rows to indicate kindergarten. Fruit Loops is a 20, so I'm going to be right off the top of my graph here by 1, and I'm going to color in both rows. And you can do this way nicer and neater, I'm sure, than I can with my little markers here. And now I'm going to skip 2, that's 5th grade, and I'm going to go to Cheerios next. Cheerios was 5. I'll color in 2 rows for Cheerios. Next, skip the next Cheerios, go to Lucky Charms, and 10. For Lucky Charms, next we've got Captain Crunch is 12, there's 10, 11, 12. There we go. And next we've got Wheaties. Oh, 0. We do nothing. Skip it. Corn Flakes. Corn Flakes for kindergarten is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're switching colors. We need to add the next color on our key. Mine happens to be red, but you can choose any color you like. Just indicate what your colors mean. And then I've got Fruit Loops for 5th grade is 4. I'll color up a couple rows here to 5. Oops, I think I need to go another row. And Cheerios is 18. There's 15, 16, 17, 18, almost to the top of the graph. We'll fill in our Cheerios here. And Lucky Charms 0, don't do anything, just like last time. And Captain Crunch, we've got 10. Captain Crunch. And you've got Wheaties next at a 12. Remember, don't fill that one in. That was kindergarten, so skip that. 1, 2, let's see, too slow. We'll go up to 10, 11, 12. Am I right? Nope, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Remember to leave this one blank. Kindergartners don't like Wheaties, apparently. All right, and our last category is cornflakes, 6. So here's 5, one more makes it 6. Now that I've got it roughed in, if I want to, I can make it a little nicer and neater. And you and your colored pencils, I hope you did colored pencils so you don't have the same problems I did on the first 2 tries. Can straighten it out and make it look a little bit neater. And the most important thing to do today is make sure your name is at the top, because I don't know your handwriting yet, especially when it's a graph. All right, thanks for working with me today.